How to fix CapCut keeps crashing or stopping on iPhone. Let's get started. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. Now, slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem will be resolved or not. Heading towards next solution, what you have to do is update your CapCut app to its latest version. For that, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app CapCut. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check for software updates. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Next up, check storage on a device. Head back, click on the option of iPhone storage. You can delete the unused apps. Next, reinstall CapCut. Press and hold on the CapCut app. Click on the option of Remove app. Click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app CapCut and then download it. Likewise, check permissions for the CapCut. For that, launch your settings, head back. Once you are in the settings page, navigate to the option of CapCut, open it, provide all the permissions for CapCut. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is reset all the settings for your device. For that, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix CapCut crashing or stopping issues on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.